Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is 4:04 p.m. here at the New York close. It is Wednesday, May 17th. Let's get right into it with micro oil. So oil, we opened ever so slightly above that close from yesterday. Never quite getting to it. Just a bunch of buying pressure. You can see that they opened pretty much on that edge, came back to it, hit it as support. But plenty of opportunities in this market. Good 4 or 5 opportunities there, with us finishing net positive on the day. Now, gold is finishing net negative. We had that huge run down, if you recall, from yesterday. There's the low. Sorry. There's the low from yesterday. We opened pretty much on that same edge, came down again, just hitting it as resistance. Finally, they broke down further, and then they just retraced and reconciled and went sideways for the remainder of the day. But nonetheless, finishing net down on that day as well. Now, our equities, they are a little different. They open up slower, but they obviously were finishing strong, but it was a slower grinding move up to it. I have no clue what's going on right there. All right, so I was actually just scrolled too far back. I was a whole day back. But if that's what happened, and then we scroll back, you can see if I just keep coming back, we opened inside that range from yesterday, and we opened above the close. That close was right around here, and we just went straight down, grabbed it, hit this HVA edge, and then started climbing. And then we ended up having a round trip. If you recall, round trip is where we overtake highs or lows of the market. And so in this case, they overtook those highs, and there was that round trip, and then turned around just at that edge for potential entry, and then they decided just to explode during lunch and keep with that momentum. And then around 2 o'clock or so, they just settled in around that area and are finishing net positive in the day. That's a similar story in the NASDAQ. A little bit more buying pressure, I would say, than in the ES. But with that said, the NASDAQ opened above the close, got to its close, went a little bit further, hit this HVA edge, and then did not look back. You can see that they had a lot more buying potential, a lot more volatility in this market. And then you'll see that once we get above the contract high, they just did not want to stop climbing. It was a fight. They put in that high, and then they kept challenging it, but again, they just could not overtake it. And they had quite the expansion for the range today. So we are finishing net positive in our equities, net positive in oil, and then negative in gold. If you're interested in learning more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us online or on Facebook. If you're going to find us on Facebook, just type in Target Trading Academy, search it up, get in touch with the representative there, or just go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with the representative there. Either location, they'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.